Now, Isaiah Sharp with the Idaho News 6 forecast.
Boise still waiting to break into those 50s, sitting just below it at 49 degrees and a little bit of wind on top of that as well. You can see plenty of cloud coverage, a little bit of blue sky off into the background. Hopefully some broken clouds will continue into tonight, especially because we have a lunar eclipse that is going to be taking place. It's going to start about 9:30, 9:45, and it's going to have full totality at 12:26 a.m. So you got to be a bit of a night owl in order to see that lunar eclipse pass on over. And as you can see, a lot of precipitation passing on over in cloud coverage, so hopefully we'll get a little bit of a break. It'd be nice to see that red moon if we get the opportunity, but it looks as though we're going to continue to see precipitation moving over the region. Friday actually going to be a little bit drier than what we saw. Most of that precipitation passing on over into the morning time, but that does not mean we won't see the last of it. Heading into this weekend, even more is expected. Here's what tonight is going to look like. Skies are going to start to increase in precipitation over the Boise region. A potential of some rain snow mixes as well as those temperatures start to dip. We'll see another chance of some rain snow mixes going into Friday. I'm not expecting too much accumulation as temperatures are going to be too warm, so most likely a light dusting expected. The Magic Valley looking fairly dry, and then going into Friday, skies are looking all right too. Maybe a couple of scattered showers mixed in there, but then things are going to start to increase as we head into this weekend. Taking a broader look at what we're going to be seeing as this system starts to really pass on over our region, and you can tell a lot of systems expected to pass on over. More precipitation going into Saturday. This is the earliest parts of the morning, but a lot of scattered showers, so it's kind of hard to pinpoint where exactly we're going to have impact. The mountain ranges will certainly get a lot of fresh snow. I'll have those totals coming up in just a couple of moments. More expected into the morning time going into Sunday, and another focus I've been having is this atmospheric river that's forming. You can kind of see the canal shape right here over the top of Medford and Wairika getting a fair bit of activity. That is going to make its way over us going into Monday, bringing in a potential of some thunderstorms on the way as well. More rain snow mix is expected for the Boise region. And this, once again, hitting into the early mornings. During the daytime, skies are going to look all right. Not too much activity passing on through, but a potential dip in temperatures is expected too. You can kind of see that trough shape right there. Expected to move into our region, bringing in cooler temperatures. But after Tuesday, skies are going to look all right. Thursday might have a little bit more activity, but this is pretty far forecasting into next week. So we'll have to wait and see what this is going to produce. Here's a quick look at some of those snowfall totals, what we're going to be expecting heading into this weekend, and pretty impressive stuff at the bottom of your screen. 17 inches of Pomerelle, but Cascade and McCall jumping from 6 inches a pair to now 10 inches up there. 11 inches for Cascade, 11 for Stanley as well. The western and eastern central mountains going to get slammed by plenty of fresh powder. Here's a look at those temperatures going into tomorrow. Upper 40s, low 50s expected with light chances of rain to pass on through our region. Western central mountains sitting into the 30s for McCall and Cascade. 40s almost everywhere else. Pine will be just a bit cooler at 39 degrees. Your McCall extended forecast looking like plenty of snow. As you can see, 100% chances on Saturday and Sunday and Monday. Things will start to lighten up going into Tuesday and Wednesday. Hopefully those clear skies are expected. We'll get more of the same and a bump in temperatures too. 40s turn into 50s, turn into 60s. Chances of thunderstorms on Monday, and then skies will clear out going into Tuesday.